Hello everyone. Today I'm continuing with the topic polycystic ovaries, which is a major concern nowadays. So everybody who comes to the OPD, they ask, ಏನಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೆ ಪಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಓವರೀಸ್ ಏನಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್? ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಓವರೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೋನ್. So it happens due to a combination of genetic and environmental factors, because ಮುಂಚಿನ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರಿವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಓವರೀಸ್ದು. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ನೌಡೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಮೋರ್ ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ mostly it can be attributed for environmental factors as well as the food habits. Treatment, symptoms as I told, it could be irregular periods, ಅಂದರೆ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, 2 months 3 months ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆದ್ರೂ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಂಟಿ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೆನೊರೇಜಿಯಾ, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಹೆವಿ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. Those are all the symptoms of polycystic ovaries. The other symptoms could be in a reproductive age group or with a married women. They may come to OPD with the inability to conceive, ಅಂದರೆ pregnancy ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, infertility or subfertility could also be a symptom of polycystic ovaries. This because of hormonal imbalance. There is no proper ovulation and there is no proper menstruation as well as pregnancy which can happen. So these are the two main symptoms which a patient can present to you in a OPD. Other bitre skin changes like acne, hirsutism anta karitive, excessive hair growth, which can be attributed for increased androgen levels in polycystic ovary patients. So ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮುಸ್ಟಾಚ್, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಪ್ಪು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿನ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಕೂದಲು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ behind at the nape of the neck and around the neck, which we call as acanthosis nigricans. These all could be other symptoms with which a patient can present with. So what is the treatment? So treatment is it comes with two options. Like if at all a young girl or a young lady presents to you and she wants to correct herself with her periods, then birth control pills, which are also hormonal pills, should be prescribed or offered to the girl or the lady to regularize her periods and over a period of around 3 to 6 months. And many a times they follow with the regular periods, but it should be always accompanied with healthy lifestyle, like giving up junks and keeping a watch on weight, ಅಂದರೆ ವೇಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ come to you with the inability to conceive ಅಥವಾ infertility ಇರೋರಿಗೆ we should offer ovulation induction. Not that all polycystic ovary ladies cannot conceive on their own. They do conceive on their own, but when it is not happening, they may need some assistance in the form of ovulation induction. ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಬರೋ ಥರ ಔಷಧಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ovaries. If you have any queries or concern regarding this polycystic ovaries, please drop your message. We'll get back to you. Thank you.